Expert affiliate marketing tips anyone can follow. In these hard times, you're probably looking for alternative ways to make some extra money. If so, you definitely should give affiliate marketing a try. If successful, it can become a great source of income, and even become your primary source of money. Follow these tips and suggestions to build a successful affiliate site. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, check out their resources in terms of sale boosting items for you. A good affiliate program will offer you banner images, content for text ads, and letter templates, in order to help you boost sales. A sale for you is a sale for them, and you want to work for a company that understands your value as an affiliate. Affiliate programs that offering subscriptions to customers are a great passive income. You can continue to make money for as long as the customer is signed up for the subscription. Read the fine print of your contract, though, as some companies will only pay you for the initial purchase and not for the recurring profit. Make sure you know your audience when you build your affiliate program. Find out what their needs are and what age group they belong to. Build your site to provide a solution to your visitors. The main theme of your site should match the products of your retailer. Don't place unrelated links on your site just because they pay well. As it was stated before in the video, affiliate marketing can become a great alternative to a traditional job for earning money. However, when there are hundreds of thousands of sites on the web, how will you stand out? You need to persistently try to make your site more up to date and attractive to your audience. This tips in this video can help you do just that. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.